In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best power wheels. So let's get started. Number 7. 12V Ride-On Car Truck. The best choice products 12V Ride-On Car Truck is an all-around excellent Power Wheels vehicle, and it's well-equipped and well-built to withstand all kinds of rough terrain. But this ride-on vehicle isn't just off-roading ready. It's also quite stylish and upscale, with a host of realistic details and functions. Kids can drive manually, choosing from 3 different speed options and driving forward or reverse. The 45x31x 31-inch truck can also be steered and controlled via the included parental remote control. A spring suspension system keeps kids riding smoothly whether they're driving over pavement, grass, or gravel. A seat belt keeps kids secure, while the roomy interior offers comfortable seating. Number 6. AOSOM Children's Ride. Power wheels aren't exactly cheap, but there are value-driven options that are more affordable, like the AOSOM Children's Ride-On Off-Road Truck. This ride-on vehicle for kids is tough, affordable, and wonderfully capable, making it a perfect choice if you want a ton of value. Designed for kids aged 3 to 6 years old, this exciting Power Wheels is rough road ready. It offers 2 riding modes, a foot pedal or remote control, and is built with movable wing mirrors, doors that open, a working horn, headlights, dashboard lights, a usable trunk, and forward and reverse gears. It's powered by a strong 12-volt twin motor and uses rear-wheel drive for better performance on rough terrain. Number 5. Power Wheels Dune Racer. Traction is critical in a Power Wheels vehicle for rough terrain, and it's hard to top the impressive traction offered by the Power Wheels Dune Racer. Built to invoke the speed, turns, and thrilling ride feeling of driving a dune racer, this Power Wheels vehicle is a real monster on any surface. It features a unique monster traction system that can drive easily on hard surfaces, wet grass, and all types of rough terrain. Kids can reach speeds of 2.5 to 5 miles per hour in forward gear and 2.5 miles per hour in reverse gear. This Dune Racer ride-on toy sits lower to the ground and features an open cockpit so 2 riders can get in on the fun. A steel frame, flashy chrome accents, and metal sidebars all make this Power Wheels vehicle feel just like the real thing. Number 4. 12V Electric 4-Wheeler ATV. The best choice products 12V Electric 4-Wheeler ATV is one tough ride-on vehicle. Real ATVs can handle all types of terrain, and this toy version is pretty similar. It'll give kids a thrill with its rugged design and realistic features. There's a foot pedal acceleration, forward and reverse drive gears, and a built-in auxiliary outlet for media devices. This Power Wheels ATV can reach a max speed of 3.7 miles per hour, and little drivers up to 66 pounds can choose from 2 speed settings. This toy ATV shines when it comes to its traction. It rides on large, treaded wheels and features a 4-wheel suspension. Number 3. Value Box Extra Large Ride. The Value Box Extra Large Ride-On Truck is a great option if you're looking for large and capable Power Wheels for rough terrain. Larger ride-on vehicles can be more of a challenge, but this truck is both exciting for kids and a whole lot of fun to try out on various types of terrain. It's quite realistic, with extra-large sizing at 47.2 x 31 x 31 inches in size, and features bright LED headlights, an adjustable safety seat belt, a working horn, and a start-stop push button. Even the double doors lock with magnets for a real-life feel. This Power Wheels truck runs on a 12-volt rechargeable battery that lasts for 1 to 2 hours. Number 2. TOBBI Licensed Mercedes. This single-rider luxury model is great for one child ages 3 to 6 years. It reaches a maximum of 1 to 4 miles an hour and is suitable for children up to 66 pounds. This model includes great safety features like a seat belt and parental remote control. The realistic exterior and design include LED headlights, music, and horn. The interior boasts a stroller seat belt. 2 speeds and a forward and reverse switch are also found in this luxury model electric car. gradual acceleration, an electric brake system, and rubber traction help create a smooth ride. Opening doors add to the experience. A smart charging battery system helps prevent overcharging. Number 1. Kid TRAX Toddler. The Kid TRAX quad bikes are enough to make any child jump for joy. There are 7 awesome options inspired by your child's favorite characters. There's a Disney princess bike, Spider-Man, Lightning McQueen, and many more. This is the perfect bike for toddlers, as it doesn't go too fast. It has one forward speed of 1.5 miles per hour. All the driver needs to do is press the acceleration button with their hands, no foot pedal required. The bikes have rubber traction strip tires, making them suitable for all terrains. So whether you're on the road, in the backyard, or going through the woods, this is the perfect mode of transposition.